Ever wondered how to amplify your English vocabulary? Or perhaps you're preparing for a big test like the IELTS and want to ensure your language skills are up to par? Well, worry not, because we're here to help. Welcome to our daily series where we unravel 10 English vocabulary words that could give your language skills that extra boost. First up is profound. Pronounced as profound, it's an adjective that means very great or intense. It's often used to describe knowledge, thought, or emotion. For instance, she has a profound understanding of human nature. Next we have the word ostentatious. Pronounced as Ostentatious, it's an adjective that describes something designed to impress or attract notice. For example, he made an ostentatious display of his wealth. Moving on, we have inevitable. Pronounced inevitable, it's an adjective that means certain to happen, unavoidable. For instance, the accident was the inevitable consequence of carelessness. Fourth on our list is ephemeral. Pronounced as ephemeral, it's an adjective that means lasting for a very short time. An example could be the ephemeral nature of fashion trends. Fifth, we have voracious. Pronounced voracious, it describes someone wanting or devouring great quantities of food, or metaphorically having a very eager approach to an activity. For instance, she is a voracious reader. Our sixth word is innocuous. Pronounced innocuous, it's an adjective that means not harmful or offensive. For example, it seemed like an innocuous comment at the time. Next up, we have prolific. Pronounced prolific, it's an adjective that means producing many works, results, or offspring. For instance, he was a prolific composer. Eighth on our list is reticent. Pronounced reticent. It's an adjective that means not revealing one's thoughts or feelings readily. For example, she was reticent about her past. Ninth, we have exacerbate. Pronounced exacerbate. It's a verb that means to make a problem, bad situation, or negative feeling worse. For example, his public outburst only served to exacerbate the situation. And finally, we have tenacious. Pronounced tenacious, it's an adjective that describes someone who keeps a firm hold of something or is determined. For instance, she was tenacious in her pursuit of justice. So there we have it, 10 words to enhance your English vocabulary. To recap, we've learned profound, ostentatious, inevitable, ephemeral, voracious, innocuous, prolific, reticent, exacerbate, and tenacious. Incorporate these words into your daily conversations or writings, and you'll soon see a noticeable improvement in your language skills. After all, a rich vocabulary is a stepping stone to better communication. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.